Well, Sunport officials tell me that they're not screening travelers because the CDC wants to focus on bigger airports where people are flying in directly from China. Today, I spoke to a professor here at UNM about what people should be aware of if they're traveling abroad. If you're planning on traveling to China soon or even the region,
take extra precautionary measures such as staying away from people that are sick or animals that are sick,
and monitor yourself
to make sure you don't have a fever or other sort of infection.
The coronavirus has made it to the U.S., with the first case coming from Seattle.
And this individual is thought to have contracted it in Wuhan, China, and then flew to the United States where he became ill.
Today, the New Mexico Department of Health alerted doctors to be aware of the virus, particularly when it comes to treating patients who are showing symptoms after returning home from traveling abroad. That's because the virus can be given to someone simply from human-to-human contact.
Healthcare workers are at a higher risk because they will be in close contact with patients.
The coronavirus is tricky to spot because its symptoms are similar to those of a common cold or flu.
A lot of people are having symptoms that are similar to the early symptoms of this virus. So I think it's important to just think that if you do feel sick, if you have shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, it's good to go to your doctor.
It's also deadly.
And if you have any travel-related history to that area in Wuhan, China, also if you're in contact with someone that's had travel recently to one of these areas, then you should definitely tell your doctor about that as well.
Just to be clear, there are no detected cases here in New Mexico. For more information on travel restrictions in China, you can visit the CDC's website. Reporting live in Albuquerque, Marissa Armas, KOAT Action 7 News.
Some of the cities where health officials are currently screening is in San Francisco, Los Angeles, New York City, Atlanta, and Chicago.